Hello everyone, we have made an analysis video on Jan 11th stating Nifty's target of 22,500. At Jan 11th, the market was at closing was 23,431. 1000 negative points target we have given on for the March, but we have received that 1000 points in Feb only. So today we have seen 22,500. So let's analyze the FI and DIS data and we'll see. So let's have a recap once again. The four players who get the money and who runs the market. Main player are FII and proprietor. Client, those are retailers, those are us. We will not consider retailers view much, and also the DII we will not consider the view much. This all is a derivatives data, and in derivatives FII is a big player as well, proprietor and client, but the view of FII is always correct in derivatives. So now let's follow by FII's data. Let's begin with future index. Long they were holding 16.3 and short they were having 84%. Now they are having 15.3 and short 85%. It means they have a huge number of short contracts in futures. Such huge contract in short we have seen earlier in June 3rd and 4th when the election result was declared. So they were having 71% short, and you know what happened. We have seen a good fall in our market. Now let's check the options data. In option contracts call they were having 58,000 of call buying. Now call buying has been unwinded, and now they have 3,000 contracts of call buying, and input they were having 2,68,000 of put buying. Now they have added more put in 1000 contracts, so they have 2.82 lakh of put buying contract. So here also we have seen a huge negative data in option also. So in futures they are negative, and in options also they are huge negative. And in cash market, see, this is per Jan and Feb month. So in Jan they have sold 87,000 crores 375, and in Feb they have sold 36,000 crores. It means nearly 1 lakh crores they have sold. In head of that, DIA have purchased 86,000 crores in Jan, 42,000 crores in Feb. So DIA receiving the money in form of mutual funds, in form of SIPs, and from LICs they are buying. So all the AUM who is managing the money who comes under DII are supporting the market. So suppose if retailer like us has stopped doing SIP every month, so the DII won't have money and they will stop supporting the market, and we can see a more fall. So when this will happen? If there is a bad economy and people not having a money in their hand, so they will not invest. So everything, the investment and the market is correlation with the economy. If economy is bad phase, the market will fall. Now let's check the client data. Client are the retailers. In future index, long they were having 70% and short they were having 30%. So no change, they were still holding a 70% long and 30% short. Option index call they were having a 37,000 of call writing contract, so they have unwinded most of the contract. Now they have made a fresh call buying of 1.16 lakh contract. Input they were having 2.96 lakh of put writing contract. Put writing also has been added to 48,000 contracts. Now they have 3.45 lakh of put writing contract. It means they are super bullish in option as well as in future index also they are bullish. And we have seen a huge cash redemptions. They have sold their shares in cash market. In Jan they have sold 5,395 crores, and in Feb they have sold 3,000 crores in cash. It means they are booking the loss in cash as well. They are doing gambling in F&O, and I hope they are losing money in futures and options also. And this is the time what they have to do. They have to stop this F&O and put their money in cash, because the stocks are getting cheaper. They have to accumulate a good stocks at this price. Now let's check the promoters data. In future index they were having 59% long, and short they were having 41%. Now they have increased their long, reduced their short by 2%. They have 61% long, 39% short. Option index call they were having 20,000 contract in call writing. Now they have increased their call writing contract by nearly 1 lakh contracts, and input they were having 13,000 contract of put buying. They have increased the put buying also. So see, they are positive in futures and they are super negative in options. So they have hedged their positions, and what they are doing in cash market in Jan, they have purchased for 3,441 crores, and in Feb they have purchased for 1,809 crores. It means they are buying in cash and they are hedging in F&Os. So there are the pure investors. Now let's check the technical analysis. We'll follow by the US market. So Dow trading positive as of now, and meanwhile we have seen they are also has been corrected from last 2 days. Nasdaq also trading positive as of now, but they are also in a consolidation phase. They have reached a new high in their IT market, but they are consolidating at a moment. So US market is also jittery because of the President Trump making new announcement and making new policies in their government. They made a Dodge Department of Government Efficiency. Elon Musk, who is helping him to make a new policies and to make America great once again. And they are imposing new import tariff in other countries, and he wants to make new manufacturing hub in his own country. That can cause him a lot. In short term, every market, even including US, will be bearish, but for the long term, coming 3-4 years, the US will do much better. Then India can also expect that. Now let's come to Indian market. Indian VIX is at 14.42. It is very much comfortable. This VIX is not afraid of anything, but market is keep on falling. It means there is a huge selling in cash market only, that the data has already showed. We have seen the cash market how the FII has selling and DII is buying. So let's come to Nifty in 1 day time frame. We have broke the good support level. So this was a double bottom. People were expecting the market will turn from here. This was 22,700 levels, but this level has been broken. So now what? Everyone will short from here now. But the FII or any of the good big player, they will pump their money to make this as a dead cat bounce. So market will recover a little bit from here because a big player need a buyers to dump their shares more. So this is what a theory shows. So big player need a good number of buyers so that they can create demand and they can sell their products. So we have to wait and see, a good buying is going to come from this level or not. Anyhow, we will not accumulate or we will not go long in options or futures from here, even if it's going high. At a certain levels, when the market reaches a high, after breaking this we can think of going long. But meanwhile this channel, he's stating sell on rise. So whenever this will come to a certain level, this channel, we will short once again, but we will not long from these levels. Now let's check the bank Nifty data in 1 day time frame. Bank Nifty is consolidating in a range and we don't have anything in this. The double bottom has already worked. In this scenario, 48,000 levels were not broken, but in long term bank Nifty has to do good. So now going long from this level, Nifty and bank Nifty, everything depend on the global economy, Indian economy, inflation. Indian inflation has to be in control. Even though we have seen the repo rate 25 basis point cut, but still the market has not gone up. So even we have seen the tax slabs has been reduced and it is in favor of all the middle class people, but still the market has not gone up. So all the positive is turning into negative. So this is the time to accumulate good stock with a good fundamental, and the P has been corrected. Now you can think of going long. I mean, you can accumulate in cash market a good stock you can buy and you can keep for a long term. So randomly don't go long in options, because people will predict there will be a dead cat bounce, or they will think the FII will come from here. FII is not going to come because we have imposed 12.5 long term capital gain on them, and until this has been reduced they are not going to come to India. So don't hope FI is going to come as of now. Until the FI is not going to come, we are not going to move higher. So going long will take some time, so even don't short the market randomly. Market is almost in a good phase now. They have corrected a lot now, so it is a time for consolidation in the market. So it is still wait and watch for going short or going long, but consolidation is must for market now. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.